In this video, we will be showcasing 5 hidden gems within the state of Iowa. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Iowa is a state located in the Midwestern region of the United States. It is bordered by Minnesota to the north, Wisconsin to the east, Illinois to the south, Missouri to the south and west, and South Dakota to the northwest. The state capital of Iowa is Des Moines, and the largest city is also Des Moines. Iowa is known for its rolling hills, fertile soil, and diverse agriculture industry. The state is home to several national and state parks, including Pikes Peak State Park and the Effigy Mounds National Monument. Iowa, also known as the Hawkeye State, may not be on everyone's travel radar, but it is home to some hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From picturesque small towns to breathtaking natural scenery, Iowa has a lot to offer. If you're planning a trip to Iowa, make sure to add these top 5 hidden gems to your itinerary. Maquoketa Caves State Park. Located in eastern Iowa, this state park is a natural wonderland filled with winding caves, deep crevices, and rocky bluffs. Visitors can hike through the park's trails, explore the caves, and even go camping. Amana Colonies. The Amana Colonies are a group of 7 German villages in eastern Iowa that were founded in the 1850s. Visitors can stroll through the charming streets, shop for handmade goods, and dine on traditional German cuisine. Pella. Located in central Iowa, Pella is a quaint Dutch town with a rich history and charming architecture. Visitors can stroll through the town's streets, admire the windmills and tulip gardens, and even watch traditional Dutch dances. Effigy Mounds National Monument. This monument, located in northeastern Iowa, is a protected area that preserves over 200 prehistoric Native American mounds. Visitors can hike through the park's trails and learn about the region's history and culture. Bridges of Madison County. The Bridges of Madison County, located in central Iowa, are a series of historic covered bridges that date back to the 19th century. Visitors can drive through the scenic countryside and admire the bridges, which have been featured in books and movies. Iowa may not be the most well-known state in the US, but it has plenty of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just looking for a charming small town to explore, Iowa has something for everyone. So, the next time you're planning a vacation, consider exploring the beauty and hospitality of the Hawkeye state. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you thought of the video, if we missed your favorite towns, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.